In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar in Shopify easily, perfect for 2025. Adding an announcement bar to your Shopify store can be a fantastic way to share important news, special promotions, or updates with your customers right at the top of your website. It captures attention immediately and is a great tool to enhance engagement and boost sales with minimal effort. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along. First, to get started, you'll need to head over to the Apps section of your Shopify store. This is where you can find and install various applications to enhance the functionality of your online shop. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to look for a specific app called the Essential Announcement Bar. This app is particularly recommended due to its ease of use and effective results. Once the search results appear, locate the Essential Announcement Bar app and click on it. You'll then see an option to install the app. Go ahead and click on Install. Now, to ensure the installation is successful, you'll be asked to confirm your choice. Click the Install button once more to complete the installation process. It's as simple as that. You've now added a powerful tool to your Shopify toolkit. With the app successfully installed, the next step is to create your first announcement. In the app, you'll see a button or option labeled New Announcement. Click on this to get started. Here, you'll be presented with a variety of announcement types to choose from. You can pick based on what suits your store's needs, perhaps a discount promotion, a new product launch, or a shipping update. Choose the type that aligns with your goal. It's very intuitive, making it easy for you to ensure the bar matches your website's overall look and capture attention in the right way. Once you've selected the appropriate type, it's time to type out your announcement message. Keep your message clear and to the point, ensuring that it's immediately obvious what you're trying to communicate. Try using compelling words that entice your audience to click or read further. As a tip, consider the text color and background for optimal visibility. Make sure that your announcement text contrasts well with the background so that it is easily readable. After you've crafted your message and tailored the style, go ahead and save your changes. Usually, there will be a Save or Publish button. Click that so your new announcement bar goes live on your store. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added an announcement bar to your Shopify store. This little addition can make a big difference, helping steer customer attention to key information without much hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope your online store enjoys the benefits of this new feature. Stay tuned for more easy Shopify tips.